Hey again. It's Tuesday, TJ Treasures. I'm so happy you're here. If you hop on, say hey. And if you catch the replay, say replay. So I'm going to have to put my glasses on because I want to read something to you. Two of my TJ Treasures are gifts. For Mother's Day, Bruce and Isabella both bought me necklaces. The one that Isabella chose is this one, and it is from TJ. She said, I knew I could find you something at TJ. She knew that I've always loved crystals. And my nanny always loved crystals, and she always wore a crystal, and I have several bracelets of citrine bracelets and labradorite bracelets. So anyway, they knew I liked them, and Isabella found this one, and it's a quartz, and it says, quartz can be used to purify and clarify the spiritual, mental, and physical planes, clearing away negative energy and increasing inspiration and creativity. So she picked that out especially for me. I haven't even tried it on yet. Let's see. Oh, it's all taped up and yucky back here. I'll do a picture one day and I'll post it. I'm not going to go through all that. And then Bruce got me this one, which is a pearl. I think it's a mother of pearl in the center. Hey, Robin. Hi, Lynn. Let's see who's on here. This thing flips through so fast. Hi, Teresa. Yes. Hey, Tammy, Debbie. And then these other stones are, oh goodness, I forgot. Hold on, let me see. Agate. And when you look up agate, hold on, who's on there now? Hey, Vicky. These are different agates. There's like rose agate and all different colors. But I immediately saw this color right here, this pinky color right there, and I just had a fit. There's only one of those, but there's all different colors, and they're so beautiful. I can wear this with absolutely anything. I can wear it with green, and I can wear it with blue, and I can wear it with purple, and I can wear it with pink. But I will probably wear it sort of kind of like a choker. That's like sort of kind of tight. But I will probably wear it by itself a lot this summer. Isn't it, Lynn? Oh, it's so pretty. And I love chokers. I'm the type of person, though, that puts on a necklace and I don't take it off. Like, I wear this pendant, this little diamond pendant, all the time. I take a shower in it, I bathe in it, I sleep in it, but I don't think I can do this with my agate. But look at that. I want to get it up close so you guys can see all of the colors. Isn't it so pretty? I just loved it. They both did great. And I'll definitely post a picture of this one that Isabella got me when I wear it. It's very, very pretty also. Yeah, but I'll definitely have to take these off. I think this one is probably an overlay over sterling, so I don't want it to fade or change colors. And then the other is on a string, so it could easily break. Sorry, I got an itch. One more thing. The last thing I bought myself, and like I need another one of these, but I've been doing a lot of studying, and I actually hired a coach, and I've been working on my mindset. I was already pretty good with staying focused on positivity, but I'm learning to shift that energy when I'm in a bad mood, or I may have woke up on the wrong side of the bed or whatever. But she's helping me to find those triggers. And so I've really been working a lot on my mindset, and I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. I'm learning to notice, oh, no, you can't do that, Ginger. Shift it, change your state, be positive. Don't let that that big bad wolf get you down or whatever. So I'm learning to shift that. So in connection with that, I'm also learning to be very grateful every morning and every evening. And I wanted to start a gratitude journal / journaling. So I had all these books and I'm like, surely to goodness I can find one to use, but I haven't started yet. The next day I'm at TJ Maxx, and right in the dead center of all the journals was this journal that I found. It was just one of them right there in the center of all the journals. And I wanted, I give it upside down. I literally wanted to cry. Not only does it have my flamingos, you know I've always loved flamingos, and it's a part of our Dream Team mascot. After I joined, they named it as a flamingo, and I already had loved flamingos. And on the front, it even says, start each day with a grateful heart. So every morning, I have been writing down 5 things that I'm grateful for when I wake up that morning. And then that night when I go to bed, I have a PM. I do an AM and a PM. And before I go to bed, I list at least one thing of that day that I'm grateful for. And then if I have more than one, then I list the others. But like on Mother's Day, in the morning, I listed 5 things. And then that evening, I usually would just list one thing I was grateful for. But instead, I listed Miranda and Isabella both, because they're both true blessings and they are blessings to me every day, but especially on Mother's Day. And they were my grateful things the evening of Mother's Day. So anyway, minimum of 1 or as many as I want that night, 5 every morning. So it's really, really awesome to be able to start every morning in my gratitude journal. And then before I go to bed and before I say my prayers, I write in my gratitude journal. So I love it. Let's see. What are you saying here? Sorry, Teresa. Have you seen the new release from Spartina? I'm not sure what that is. I'm not familiar with that brand. I'll have to look that up. You know I'm all about it. I didn't order those shoes yet either. I've got to get those shoes. I need to go back and find that live, or maybe you can send me that in Messenger, because I do want to get those shoes. But I'll have to go back and find it in that video, or if you want to send it to Messenger, that would be awesome, Teresa, because I do want to get them. I just haven't, because I'm so torn between getting a 7.5 or an 8. But I need to Google Spartina too, or Spartina? I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to look it up though. But yeah, those are my goodies. 1 was my purchase, 2 were Mother's Day gifts, but they're all TJ treasures. And thank you so much for joining me tonight. Hi, Shannon. Hi, Julia. Hey, Nina. All right, guys. That's it for tonight. Thank you for joining me. You know, next Tuesday TJ Treasures. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for joining me. I love sharing these with you. Have a good night. Mwah. Bye.